It started with a whisper, and that was when I kissed her, and then she made my lips hurt. Well, I don't know why I came here tonight.
Love me tender, love me sweet.
Push it to the limit. Walk along a razor's edge.
On the second floor. On the second floor.
I was busy thinking about boys, boys, boys. I was busy.
I want to break free. I want to break free.
I'm too sexy for my love, too sexy for my love. Love's going to leave me.
And today we can see small streams of stars that are left over from those recent mergers that have formed the Milky Way galaxy.
როდემდე შეიძლება გაგრძელდეს ეს ყველაფერი? იქნებ დამატებით დროში. შენ გენაცვალე, აი ამისთვისაც.
People, let me tell you about my best friend. He's a warm-hearted
Optimism.